So I forgot to film an intro before I left town this morning in the dark. But I decided that I needed a weekend out of the city. It's been a really long time since I've been in the woods that wasn't 5 minutes from my house, and I really needed some nature and some snow and some time away from the noises of the city. So I decided to book an Airbnb this weekend. I'm being a bit bougie. I could have gone camping and slept in my car, but I really wanted walls and heat and a bathtub, and just some really cozy alone time somewhere that I wasn't going to freeze. Even though it is unusually warm for an Ontario winter. It's 3 degrees Celsius today, which is over 30 degrees Fahrenheit, which is very strange. But there is still snow where I am. The Airbnb is in Huntsville, which is about 2.5 hours north of Toronto. And I decided to stop at Arrowhead Provincial Park as my first stop today, which is about 5 minutes outside of Huntsville. So okay, so change of plans. I walked into the visitor center and all I can hear is people, 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 everywhere people, and that is absolutely what I do not want right now. Um, so, while I'm sure the trails are beautiful, I need quiet. So off we go to check out Limberlost, Forest and Wildlife Reservation. I'll put the actual name somewhere around here. Uh, it's free, and I'm hoping there will be less people there. All right, take two. Here we are at Limberlost, and while I was driving in here, I realized that I've been here before. I thought I've never been here before, but I think I was here like 3-4 years pre-COVID for some kind of yoga festival. Well, it's really pretty in the winter too. Let's see if I can finally get out of this car and go for a hike. I had to make myself stop a few times just to take in that quiet. It's just so quiet. I want to spend an hour just sitting still in this quiet. Wow. You see that ice? Wow. I wasn't sure how to capture this on the GoPro, so I'm gonna try it on my phone and also on the GoPro. The GoPro's for wide shots, right? Like, holy bananas! What? I don't even know what I'm looking at. Oh my god! Oh, wow! Look at that ice! These sheets of ice are so amazing. Like the snow started melting and froze mid-melt. Wow. Okay, here I am at the Airbnb. Let me give you a quick little tour. This nice little sunroom when you come on it. Beautiful windows. Looking onto beautiful Lake Vernon, which would be even more beautiful if it was the summer. There is a little sitting area, a kitchen, and then there are 2 bedrooms, and a nice bathroom. And this is the most exciting part, a deep soaker tub. It's not as private as I was expecting. Like this place, it looks like, oh, it's a beautiful, amazing space all to yourself. Well, actually, it's shared with some folks downstairs. And it's just an open stairwell leading into their apartment. So it's not totally private. Like they can probably hear me talking right now at the camera. But it is really nice. It's really nice. I'm just really happy to have been able to get out of the city. I'm feeling really privileged to be able to afford to just book a space. This is something that I wouldn't have been able to do even like 2 years ago. Yeah. This is the stuff right here. I'm trying to keep it PG. I don't want to get some kind of YouTube strike, but the bathtub here is very deep and very nice. And I'm listening to my book, and I am drinking some wine, and it is good. Hot enough. Too hot. Soup. I have no idea why YouTubers film themselves cooking and eating, but as someone who watches YouTube, I also have no idea why I enjoy watching that. So I figured I'd give it a try. I'm getting ready to go on the trail. I'm up super duper early, making my lunch for the day. So the plan is a ham and cheese sandwich and some trail mix, classic. And I'm gonna cut up an apple. And if I don't feel like eating any of that, I can just eat smoked oysters out of the can. Yes, it's in a baggie, so it's easy to pack out. And alright, so I'm getting this ready. Then I'm gonna get dressed and get on it. This is the view from my Airbnb. 7 o'clock in the morning. Oh, no, you're under. I don't know where to put this thing. I don't know where to put this thing. Alright, time to lace up. I don't have proper winter hiking boots. Or I did, but I hate them, so I fired them. So I'm just hiking in my regular boots, and I tie them really tight. I saw some reviews from the hike yesterday where people mentioned that crampons are good, so I'm gonna put on my ice cleats as soon as I tighten my shoes, and then we're gonna get going. I have lived in Ontario my entire life, and this is my first time in Algonquin Park, so I am really, really excited. I don't know how much I'm going to film today because I've never been here before and I just want to be in the moment. So we'll see. Wish me luck. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Yeah. Let's take a walk. Oh, more of that ice. I hope I'm getting that. The camera's on my chest. So pretty. I did it! I'm done! I did the whole Track and Tower Trail at Algonquin, and now I'm back at my car and I'm gonna have a snack, and then I'm gonna head back to my Airbnb. Well, thank you so much for joining me on this adventure. This is my first long form video shot on my new GoPro, and I'm sure that I have a lot to learn. I know that I took shots too wide, or held the camera too close, or made little newbie mistakes. Maybe I missed vital moments that YouTube likes to see, or maybe I shot things I shouldn't have. I don't know, but I've been watching a lot of YouTube lately and feeling really inspired by other creators. And I thought that this trip out of the city would be a really great opportunity to try my hand at making a little narrative. And I'm really excited to share some of myself and some of my experience with whoever wants to watch it. Life can be kind of lonely, and I don't have a lot of people in my life, and the people I do have I'm very grateful for, but I would love to sort of reach out to more people. And if there's someone out there who is also lonely and also needs quiet and wants to leave the city and sees my video and feels even remotely happy from watching it, then I feel like it's worth all the trouble. I hope that you will subscribe to my channel and like the video, share it with someone, all the things. And I promise that I will get better at this through practice, and I hope you'll come along with me on more adventures. So I think this is my last my last shot from the Airbnb. I'm gonna get up really early tomorrow and get on the road to get back to Toronto before work starts. I will see you again soon.